Hi guys, it's Daniel here once again, and today I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to know the health of your hard disk drive. To do this, we'll be using an app called Hard Disk Sentinel. I'll be using the pro version and I'll put a link in the description below to download it. So all you have to do, this is the app here, open it up. It will tell you the percentage of your hard disk health. If your system is slowing down or lagging too much, it can be as a result of a low health of your hard disk. So to check this, just open your Hard Disk Sentinel. So here is the tab where you can see the health of your hard disk. As you can see, mine is at 100%. I still have more than 1,000 days lifetime. Mind you, if your hard disk is at 50%, that means it is still moderate, but you need to change it as soon as possible. But if your hard disk is anything below 30%, trust me, your hard disk is suffering from coronavirus already, and you need to change that shit up, because all of a sudden it might just die and you lose all your work. But it is very preferable to back up your hard disk from time to time so as to not lose your files. Just so you know, it is very advisable to check the health of your hard disk from time to time so as to know how the hard disk is faring. As you can see here, my hard disk status is perfect. Problematic or weak sectors were not found, and there are no spin up or data transfer error. Yeah, so my hard disk is good. Check your own. It is very advisable to do that. So that will be the end of this tutorial. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and please do make sure to comment. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.